Characteristics model, Bentley Mulliner Batur. Releases -2022 present. A country, Great Britain. Manufacturer, Bentley Motors. Volkswagen Group. Produced -18. Category, exclusive. Body type, double coupe. Technical data, design, load-bearing body. Engines type, W12. Engine capacity -5,950 cm 3. Engine location, longitudinal front. Supply system, electronic fuel injection. Timing type, DOHC, valves per cylinder to 4. Cooling liquid. Working cycle, 4-stroke. Fuel category, petrol. Supercharging to turbo. Compression ratio to 10.5 to 1. Max power, 740 HP. Max torque -1000 Newton meters. Transmission to 8-speed automated ZF. Drive units 4. Front suspension, independent pneumatic. Rear suspension, independent pneumatic. Front brakes, disc. Rear brakes, disc. The stunning successor to the Bentley Bacalar by Mulliner is a super powerful, 2-seat Grand Tourer that only Mulliner could create. Like its predecessor, the car is named after a beautiful body of water, in this case Lake Batur. The 16 square kilometers crater lake in Kintamani on the island of Bali, Indonesia. A long hood with a chrome sill line. A vertical diamond pattern rectangular grille. Predatory squinted headlights and a streamlined tail with a sloping trunk lid all herald the design of future Bentley electric models. In the meantime, Bentley Mulliner Batur is a gasoline car, and also the most powerful in the history of the brand. Bentley Mulliner Batur has a 6-litre twin-turbo W12 engine, with 740 horsepower under the hood, -80 horsepower more than the production Bentley Continental GT Speed. Package includes 8-speed DCT automated transmission, 4-wheel drive, ELSD electronic differential, all-wheel steering chassis, adaptive air suspension with active anti-roll bars, 440mm carbon ceramic brakes with 10-piston calipers up front and 410mm with 4-piston calipers rear. 22-inch wheels,